Mga kaulam, pagsasarap ng aming ulam ay balatong na ginisa.
You bring everything up.
Yeah. Tapos nilagyan ko mga kaulam ng talong. Tapos ang dami kong nabiling dahong ampalaya. Hindi ko na mahagilap ang balatong. Tapos nilagyan natin ng mga kaulam ng ulo ng talakitok. Kaysa iprito, sabi ko para wala ng mantika. Inihalo ko na. Wow. Ito na. Ay, talaga namang may pek. Opo, ari ang bandang mata. Oh, talakitok ito mga kaulam. Hindi na mahagilap ang balatong, puro na lang ang gulay. May talong. Daming ampalayan dahon.
You have.
Kam na, honey. Marami pa ang ulam kaysa kanin. Kain tayo mga kaulam. Kain tayo, kain tayo. Bismillah. Ang pait ng sabaw. Yain na. Ano? This is ampalaya leaves.
What is that?
You know that? Yeah, very good for sugar.
Oh,
Mm.
and what is will do? Another also?
To make you guwapo.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was asleep.
Kung gaano kalaki ang talakitok, ito sa mata ninyo sukatin.
But it's very
Kain
big.
na, Ma'am Delia.
Very big fish.
Ma'am Tere Herrera, kain tayo. Yeah, this is talakitok, honey.
Talakitok is big. No, baby.
There is, but this one is nice. Kung ang sarap. Oh.
I am scared from big. I want a small.
Mm-hmm. That's why I am small. Kain tayo mga kaulam. Opo. Ang laki ng mata ng isda. Ito, paborito ko talagang parte.
Ah, this is like tula.
Anong tula?
In Arabic, they say tula. Oh,
Mapait, honey, but it should be like that. Not too much.
oh,
You need to eat it. Yeah.
Need to put sugar.
Bawal magreklamo.
Need to put sugar.
No.
This is like that one, no? What is
Papaitan
it?
siya sa dahon ng ampalaya. Pero the best ng isda natin, oh, laki-laki ng mga buto-buto. Very nice, honey, the fish.
Oh,
Yeah.
but look at it. This is giant.
Giant.
This is coming from ocean or where?
No, it's coming from the faucet.
Very big.
Mamaya po tayo mag-shoutout pag tayo nakakain mga kaulam, ha? Tayo maghuntahan ng kaunti. Hindi ako nagkamali pagbili ng malaking talakitok. Kain tayo, Ma'am Elma. Ang laki-laki ng talakitok na nabili ko, Ma'am Elma.
This in Philippines available?
Yeah, but this is very expensive in the Philippines, honey. Yeah.
One.
More than my life. Charot. Okay. I don't know why in the Philippines is very expensive.
They said fish in Philippines expensive. If it's like this, I will buy both. You will come with me morning, we will come back evening. We'll get fish. 1 kilo, 1,000.
You are feeling dizzy in the boat, honey.
Huh? We will eat that one. Bilan Hebrena. You feel also in the boat?
No. I am used to it.
If he's moving, no problem. For me, if he just stop the boat,
Mamaya po tayo magsha-shoutout ha pag ako'y nakakain mga kaulam at talagang
if the
gutom.
boat is just stop, if he's move, I not eat.
Gusto ko
So,
yung dahon kahit
I
mapait.
have plan, I will get the fish when we are moving. Yeah. You see, I solved the problem. Because how you feel when it's like the scrambling?
Scrambling.
The,
Mali ka na naman ng scrambling.
like the boat is not to stand one area.
Masarap ang fish ano. I'm done because I don't want to eat more rice. That's enough for me.
This rice, yeah. We eating this one.
I will only eat this fish and the ampalaya.
I didn't check this week what happened there. Sugar.
Because you're very busy with the war.
Yeah, that is make us busy. It's still not finished. But I think it's ending now. I don't know what is that.
Good morning sa mga nasa Amerika. Good evening sa mga nasa Pilipinas. Kasi sa mga kaulam, hindi ako pwedeng dumami ng kain ngayon. Enough na sa akin yun. Kailangan mas marami ang ulam, gulay, isda, kaysa sa kanin.
How much per kilo? This 100 peso?
In the Philippines, this is 500 per kilo.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is one day working. Huh? One day working labor of 500, yeah?
I don't know. Ganda.
One day working, how much in Philippines?
To be honest, gusto ko pa ng kanin, kaya lang bawal
Should be
na po.
1,000 to survive, yeah? For me, I will tell them to give me
No,
contract.
honey, this one.
10,000 should be per day.